Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel, Mississippi Girl Life. So this video is actually part of the series that I started here on the channel, which is Healthy Eats on the Homestead. Okay, so that's a series that I started here to share some of my recipes, my healthy recipes, because we gotta watch what we put inside our body. We prepping, we gardening and all that stuff. We gotta make sure that we eat healthy as possible. So today we're gonna be doing homemade juicy turkey burgers, y'all. Yes, homemade juicy turkey burgers. So I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so I already opened one, but I use ground turkey. Okay, stay away from red meat. For my anxiety, red meat do not work, do not help my food allergies. And my anxiety, red meat is just not there. So I'm washing my hands. Okay. And I got my gloves. So I'm going to start mixing this. Now I could put onions and stuff in there, but I'm not going to do that because of the toppings that I'm going to have. So this is my meat. So I'm going to take onion powder. Be glad when I make my own. But I'm gonna put onion powder all up in there. This is onion powder, not salt, okay? Garlic powder, okay? Some garlic powder off up in there. A little bit more. Then I'm gonna do some salt. Not a lot of salt, okay? Not a lot of salt. Like I said, I don't cook my food salty. You get salt from everything. And that's how it be sneaking up on people. This is some paprika. Let me see if I got some cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is supposed to be soothing for indigestion and stuff. Let me see if I got some. I ain't got none, but I know I need to get some. I'm gonna go ahead and add some parsley flakes. Parsley flakes up in there. It's one of my secrets. Liquid smoke. Yes, I add liquid smoke to my stuff. I just opened this. I took the thing from around it and it's sealed right here, so that's perfect. I took that from around it. They got it double sealed. This is why I didn't add a lot of salt, okay? Because I knew I'm using this. Yeah, get that up in there. Liquid smoke. And I'm going to use a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, okay? Just a little bit. Alright. And, yep, that is what I'm going to do with that. You can add whatever you want to your stuff because it's your stuff, okay? So that is all I am going to put in these burgers right now. So I am going to put my gloves on and get some mixing. Okay, I was going to do this in the air fryer, but with everything I got going on today, I'm going to go ahead and do them on the stove because they'll be probably a little quicker being, you know, I ain't gotta keep stopping and putting so many in there and all that. So I'm gonna do it on the stove. Yeah, it look like I need a little bit more seasoning in there. So after it broke down, that's a lot of ground turkey, onion powder, garlic powder. I'm going to add a little bit more of the wet stuff because I see I got parsley all the way through it. A little bit squirt, liquid smoke. And a little bit more of this Worcestershire. And if you want, you can put brown sugar in it or whatever the case may be. But I got plans. That's why I ain't putting it in there. I'll mix this around really good. You notice I didn't put no more salt in there because I don't need it. I don't need no salt because of the liquid smoke, and All that. Your food should not be salty. Should not be salty. Okay? Especially if you eat processed and stuff like that. You gotta limit it somewhere. This ground turkey is so cold. It just came out. I should have let it sit out earlier, but I forgot. So, it's cold. So mixing this. And I like to mix it with my hands. So, let's do this. I'm gonna have to warm my hand up. You know how something be so cold on your fingers, you start feeling the tingles in your teeth? Yeah. It's me cold. Okay. Get that all mixed together. Woo. It smells good. I wish I had smell-o-vision. Let y'all know exactly how this smells. Whew. It smells so good. Wash my hands. Then we're gonna go over to. Alright, y'all. So I got my pan. Add some olive oil to this. Okay. Oil. Cause that ground turkey ain't got a lot of grease in it. It ain't got a lot of grease in it. It ain't like your ground beef, okay? So I am about to start panning out some burgers, panning out some burgers, panning out some burgers, panning out some burgers. I can't sing, y'all, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Okay. Burgers. These gonna be so good. Oh, I wish y'all could smell the aroma that is coming from this meat. I wish y'all could smell it. I wish y'all could smell it. Gotta be careful with these gloves. I don't want them to get hot. Melted gloves. When I take these nails off, it'll be better. Then I can really wash my hands good by dealing with meat without the gloves when I'm doing something like this, but yeah. Some people wait for their oil to get hot or whatever. I ain't worried about that. We hungry. I'm trying to get these things in there. I ain't frying them, dang. So I ain't worried about that. Trying to get these burgers in here. Okay, leave it like that, and I'm gonna get these done, and I'll see y'all once they done. Okay, y'all. So while they cooking, I decided to go ahead and cut up some tomatoes. So that's what I'm gonna do. Cut some of these tomatoes up. Put these in here, so I'm gonna put them. And I'm going to caramelize some onions, but I'm gonna caramelize them with something different. That's why I told y'all I had something planned, something in mind. The reason why I didn't add certain things, so I will literally bring y'all back when it's time for me to do those onions. Let me go ahead and get this done. Alright y'all, so I got them tomatoes done. Now I done already peeled my onions. I'm about to cut up some onion, y'all, because I'm gonna caramelize these onions. Yes, I am. I'm gonna caramelize them, but I'm gonna do them in a different way. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. So it'll be caramelized onions, tomatoes, bread and butter, pickles. Ooh, y'all, it's gonna be some good burgers. You hear me? Some good burgers. Get all these cut up. Yes. And then once I get these cut up, then I'll show y'all what I'm putting in it to caramelize them. Alright y'all, so I got my onions in here all chopped up. I did 5 onions, y'all, because I want this to last, because for one, I like onions. Okay, that's like the first thing. I like onions. So I am sauteing mine with some plant-based butter. Yeah. Alright y'all, and then I am going to come back with some brown sugar. Now caramelized onions, you can just caramelize them and they naturally have a sweet taste. But I'm doing these burgers, okay? So I'm doing this a little different. Alright, so I am going to saute this down in my butter. My neighbor is blasting music coming home. This reminds me of back home. Everybody had their music up loud in the car and all that stuff. I hear it on the outside. I don't know if y'all hear that thumping, but that's what that is. They like playing their music loud. Ain't nothing wrong with that, as long as it's good, clean music, and you know, you ain't bothering nobody. And they go in their house and you know, yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna let these caramelize down. Alright y'all, so now I'm gonna go ahead and open up. That wasn't even sealed. Oh man, I was ready for these pickles. That wasn't even sealed. It didn't pop. It just literally just opened. I hate when that happens. I hate when that happens, y'all. So I'm gonna have to take these back and get some pickles. So we won't have bread and butter pickles on here. Good thing I put that brown sugar on them onions over there. That'll still give it a little sweetness or whatever, because those pickles, but hey, it is what it is. It happens. Sometimes I have bought stuff that literally was open. I listened for that thump, and it could have been dropped, you know, pushed around or something or anything like that, and it just, the seal just broke. But it do have 2 or 3 dents right here. I don't know if y'all can see it on the top. So that seal was broken, so we're not eating it. So I can't have the bread and butter pickles, but it's alright. These onions came out amazing. Tomatoes look fabulous. So now I'm about to make the kids' plate. Okay, y'all, so I am about to eat. I had forgot to put mustard on the kids' food. Luckily, they did not care for it. So, cause I was putting all the stuff on there and forgot to put mustard. They don't really care for it that much. So, whoo, y'all, I am about to dig in. So this is what my burger look like. Ooh wee, turkey burger. I know what's in it. Okay, I like mine to be sloppy, as you can tell. Nice and healthy. It's just dropping stuff. The sweetness from the caramelized onion. That burger's so tender in the inside. Y'all, you probably hear the thing because I'm cooking more burgers. Everybody's here quiet right now. And it's a healthy burger. So y'all, how was the burger?
Good. It should be illegal for something to be that delicious.
So y'all, I'm gonna finish my food, but I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. I'm still cooking burgers. I will see y'all in the next one. The people still ain't came or whatever, but that's gonna be on another vlog. I'm gonna keep y'all up to date and all that stuff. I'm gonna pick back up for today. After I get through eating, but I don't want this extremely long. So with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one if it's Jehovah's will, y'all. Look at this. I'll talk to y'all later, okay?